Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see whether Python is properly installed in our computer or not. If Python is installed, then we will find out the version of Python that is installed in our computer. So we will click on the start button. We will search for terminal, or you can open up the command prompt. Both will work. Once the terminal or the command prompt is opened, here we will type in a command python space ---- version. We are trying to find the version of Python that is installed in the computer. Once I hit the enter key, I can find Python and then it will display the version number. So if you get this particular message, then it means that Python is downloaded and installed in your computer. If you see a message, something like this, then it means that Python is not installed in your computer and you have to install it. If Python is not installed in your computer and if you want to install it, then I have already made a tutorial. I will provide the link in the description box. You guys can check that out. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next one.